doing a tutorial on how to make a cool background for your laptop or computer. I hope you like this tutorial. Comment, like and subscribe. First thing I want you guys to do is open your web browser of choice. After you do this, go to the top bar where you can enter a link and type in the following website: stephengoodings.com/creased.png. After that loads, save the image to your desktop. I've already got it, I just save it again and overwrite it. As you can see, it's now saved. After this, I want you to open Photoshop. After you open Photoshop, I want you to open the image you just saved to your desktop, creased.png. Maybe zoom in a little, like once, so you're now on 20%, but you can still see it on your screen. So we're going to drag the padlock to the bin so we can edit this picture. We're going to be using the polygonal lasso tool, as this is the best tool for making this background. So what we're going to do first is you click where you want your first point to be. So I'm going to choose my first point to be here. You then click where your second point is going to be, third point, fourth point, link it back up. You can see it if it's going to link by the little circle that appears by the mouse icon. Right, now you can choose the colour you would like this to be. So you've got a variety of colours. I'm going to choose a blue here. You then click the paint bucket tool and fill it. You do this for as many creases as you want throughout this piece of paper. It will look very good, and then I'm just going to do it and then you can speed it up. So now what I want you to do is click the box tool, then click the selected area which you just selected, right click and click deselect. You can zoom out now by clicking Control or Command minus depending on what operating system. File, save as a PNG, make sure it's not a Photoshop file. Save it as the original image if you want, you can overwrite it, if not save it as a new one. I've chosen to overwrite my old one. It's on my desktop, so I'm going to go to my desktop. As you can see, it's in on my desktop. And then I'm going to click Set Desktop Picture. See, now it's a nice fresh looking background. But personally, I don't think that's enough. So I'm going to add a text layer onto it. Text layer takes a little while to load, but after it does, it works fine. So when you click on the text tool, type what you want. Highlight it all. You can choose the colour here if you want. I'm just going to leave it the same. I chose a bit bigger font, as you can see. I'll then choose the effects menu. Add a couple of effects to make the iEvoTech text look much better. As you can see, it's red. That'll take effect in a second after I add another effect. And then as you can see, it slowly gets nicer and nicer, and then this one's dark. And then it doesn't look right if it's just straight, so I'm going to angle it. So you click the main top tool, and now you press Control T or Command T, and then you go to the side of the box and you can choose what angle it's at. You can also enlarge it or make it smaller that way as well. Save it as again. Make sure it's PNG, not a Photoshop file. Overwrite if you want, or once again make a new file. On Macs, I don't know about Windows, when you set desktop picture, which you've already set a desktop picture, it doesn't do it. You have to set a different picture first, then go back to that original picture. So this is what I do now. Go into pictures, just choose a random one that I've got already saved on my computer. Now that's changed. Then I go set desktop picture, and as you can see, it's got iEvoTech there. Looks really nice. I hope you like this tutorial. Comment, like, and subscribe.